Hello friends, talking about Earth's total surface, 71% of its surface is covered with water and 96.5% of the Earth's water is found in the form of oceans. Today we are going to talk about oceans. You must have one question, that how many oceans are there in our Earth? Are there 4 oceans, 5 oceans or 7 oceans? So let's get the answer. But first we must know what are the 4 oceans, 5 oceans and 7 oceans. So first let us see which ocean has been included in the list of 4 oceans. So they are, you can see in your screen, first Pacific Ocean, second Atlantic Ocean, third Indian Ocean and fourth Arctic Ocean. Now let's look after the oceans which has been included in the list of 5 oceans. First Pacific Ocean, second Atlantic Ocean, third Indian Ocean, fourth Antarctic Ocean which is also called Southern Ocean and Austral Ocean, and fifth Arctic Ocean. Now let's see the oceans included in the list of 7 oceans. So starting with first North Pacific Ocean, second South Pacific Ocean. See, when the Pacific Ocean is divided into two parts by the equator, then the upper part is called the North Pacific Ocean and lower part is called the South Pacific Ocean. And now in third North Atlantic Ocean and in fourth comes South Atlantic Ocean. See, also when the Atlantic Ocean is divided into two parts by the equator, then the upper part is called the North Atlantic Ocean and the lower part is called the South Atlantic Ocean. Now in our list are 5th Indian Ocean, 6th Antarctic Ocean which is also called Southern Ocean and Austral Ocean, and in 7th Arctic Ocean. So what's the correct answer? 4, 5 or 7? The answer is 5. So let me give you some information about all these 5 oceans with facts and figures. Come firstly we know the oceans according to their increasing size. So starting with at first Pacific Ocean, in the second Atlantic Ocean, third Indian Ocean, fourth Antarctic Ocean and fifth Arctic Ocean. Now we will know about all the oceans in increasing order and also that they are covering how much surface area of Earth's total surface area. Now let's know that what percentage of the area all the oceans hold. Now let's know the volume of all the oceans. Let's know the percentage of volume each ocean has. Now let's know the deepest point of every ocean. Let's know the average depth of each ocean. Let us see the total coastline of each ocean makes. See you again in our next video. Thank you.